Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. Today we're in Weedon farm. We can go and see inside the setup. Let's go together. My dear friends, we got the pumpkin from farm and you must know why it's Halloween and why are we celebrating. The Halloween happened on 31st October. People will light bonfire, wear the costume to ward off ghosts. So, let's go for decorating the pumpkin. So, draw the pumpkin which shape you like. Ask your elderly to cut the pumpkin and more of everything. As you can see, we did the decoration for the pumpkin and let's go and make the pumpkin cake. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 3 eggs, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup cooked pumpkin. The pumpkin to be cooked of 2 tablespoons of water. Remove it when once completely water drained. A pinch of salt, a pinch of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of jaggery, or you can use 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and walnut is optional. Mix the jaggery and the oil and make it as cream. Add the cream that we made inside the bowl and mix it for 2 minutes. Add the yogurt and the pumpkin to the bowl and mix it. Mix all the dry ingredients in the bowl. It's time to add the dry ingredients and mix it thoroughly. Time to add the walnut. Add the fan, preheat the oven for 50 minutes. It's time to put the batter in the pan. Hey friends, bake the cake for 35 minutes. Let's go and cut the cake together and test it. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. Bye. Mwah.